What is epigenetics in everyday living world genetics? Have you ever wondered how two identical twins can look alike yet have different health outcomes? This fascinating question leads us to the world of epigenetics. Epigenetics is all about how gene activity can change without altering the actual DNA sequence. This means that while the DNA remains the same, the way genes are turned on or off can vary. These changes can significantly influence traits and health. Unlike genetic mutations, which are permanent changes to the DNA, epigenetic changes can often be reversed. This flexibility allows for a dynamic interaction between our genes and the environment. In everyday life, epigenetics helps explain why identical twins can develop different diseases or characteristics. For instance, one twin might face a mental health issue like schizophrenia, while the other remains healthy. These differences often arise from unique epigenetic patterns shaped by their environments and experiences. Several mechanisms drive epigenetic changes. One of them is DNA methylation, where chemical tags are added to DNA, affecting gene expression. Another is histone modification, which alters the proteins that wrap around DNA. Additionally, small RNA molecules called microRNAs can regulate gene activity. All these processes work together to control how genes express themselves without changing the underlying DNA code. Environmental factors play a crucial role in shaping our epigenetics. Things like diet, stress, smoking, pollution, and physical activity can lead to changes in gene expression. For example, a pregnant woman's nutrition can impact her unborn child's epigenetics, potentially influencing health risks for years to come. Historical events, such as the Dutch hunger winter famine, showed that children exposed to famine in the womb had lasting epigenetic changes linked to higher risks of heart disease and diabetes. In the animal kingdom, epigenetics also influences traits. For example, in European sea bass, water temperature can determine gender through epigenetic changes. In bees, the diet during early life leads to the development of either a queen or a worker bee, thanks to epigenetic modifications. Even the unique coat color patterns in tortoiseshell cats arise from the epigenetic silencing of one of the X chromosomes. Epigenetics has practical implications for human health as well. Making lifestyle changes, like quitting smoking, can reverse some harmful epigenetic changes, lowering disease risk. Nutritional interventions, such as caloric restriction, may also induce beneficial epigenetic changes that improve health and potentially slow aging. In essence, epigenetics connects our genetics with our environment and lifestyle choices. It helps us understand how external factors influence gene function, contributing to our health, development, and diseases in the living world. This fascinating field reveals that our experiences can leave lasting marks on our genes, shaping who we are in ways we are only beginning to comprehend.